Good morning. Got their feed filled up this morning. You would think that they went for days and days without any food, but it's really been only a few hours. I took a few handfuls and threw it out here, thinking the ones who couldn't fit around it would, I don't know, I guess, be able to eat some. Now no one's at the feeder. You guys are silly. The bantams think they're missing out on something. It's just normal food, guys. Good morning. Good morning, bunnies. Good morning, honey. Good morning, Atlee. Good morning, Bridget. Get your itches out. Good morning, Dove. Good morning, Ember. Good morning, Harlow. Honey has his water and pellets refilled, along with some more hay, so he's good to go for a while. Have a good day, buddy. The girls all have fresh water and pellets, and I also refilled their hay. Have a good day, girls. I just heard it starting to pour down rain. The Highland cows don't seem to mind that it's pouring, but I'm really sad that we gave them baths yesterday, because now they're going to be all yucky again. Do you like the rain, Harlow? It's crazy that they don't mind. The chickens, on the other hand, all inside, except for the ducks. They seem to like the rain too. We're coming out to scoop stalls, and even though these girls got rained on, they're still looking pretty this morning. Got an itch at me? Hey, Harlow. Your hair feels so good. Dove, you've got mud on your horns. Linux is gonna be mad at you. She still appears really wet for some reason. While the kids are finishing up the stalls, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the coops. I also brought out some greens that I think the ducks will definitely like. So we'll see if they eat them up while I'm cleaning the coop. The chickens are trying some of it. Here's what we're starting with. The coop's cleaned up. Now we'll start collecting eggs. It's all cleaned up for you guys. Now we'll go ahead and get you guys' coop clean. Here's what we're starting with. We got it all clean. Now we'll see if there are any eggs. Here's an egg. Have a good day. Ready for bed? Got caught giving Bridget treats again. Ready for your treat, honey? You gonna take it? There you go. yours, Molly. Felicity. Hey, look. Felicity. I've got yours. There you go. Here you go, Hallie. Wayne's gonna close up the big chickens while I close up the bantams. Good night, ducks. Good night, bantams. See you in the morning. This sweet little girl has her head tucked in her wing. Frisker's having himself a little bit of food before bedtime. Hopefully herself. Hi, Richard. It's time for bed. Gonna get all out and unsnuggled? I was just coming to say hey. Frisker, why are you standing in your food? There you go. Get yourself a bedtime snack too, Richard. Have a good night, girls. Even though it was a wet day here, we still found some time for the animals. They're all tucked into bed now. They've had their treats and been loved on. Now it's time for bed. We hope you all had a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.